Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos from all different stores. I love to find bargains. and if you're returning, welcome back. Glad to have you back. Sorry, my light fell. So, today's video is going to be a little Walmart haul. Some stuff my aunt picked up for me. A few things I grabbed. And yeah, so definitely hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss my Bath and Body Works haul and my Dollar Tree haul. So let's get into it. So first off, really random, I got this super glue because I don't know if you guys remember, but in my Dollar Tree haul, I got those little organizers. I'm gonna glue them together and make like a big organizer. So that's what that's for. Also, this is from Marshalls, but look at this bag. I had to get it. Like, how adorable was that? Like, I don't know why. I just had to have it. So, there's that. Then I got this big notebook with lemons all over it. And honestly, like, I love, like, the lemons and how big it is and good quality. So, we got her. Then, I got this super soft plush throw in this leopard print. This is literally my family's favorite print ever. Like, literally, we're all obsessed with it, and I got it for my office bed. So, adorable. And it was like $4.95 or something like that. So, not bad. Then, got this crocheting hooks because I've been watching all these crocheting videos, and I feel like it's, like, relaxing to do. So, I want to get into crocheting. So, I got these hooks. I gotta watch so many tutorials because I have no idea how to do it. But we got these hooks. Then, my aunt got me these socks. The lightweight premium no-show socks, 9 to 12, and I'm an 11. Then you get this many freaking packs. So we got that. Also, I got Mini Brand. We'll do that at the end. Okay, then my aunt got me all this body care for her house, for me, if that makes sense. So, first we got the Paris Hilton Here's Fragrance Mist. So, oh yeah, it smells so bomb. So, love Paris Hilton stuff. Then, okay, I got this to match Bath and Body, but this is Bodycology Blue Denim Body Cream. Velvety Magnolia Petals shine bright with light tropical fruits and sweet vanilla. I actually love the smell of this. And when I do my my Bath and Body Works haul, I'm gonna put this with the perfume that I got to go with it. But anyway, we got blue denim. Then we got the EOS Evolution Smooth 24-hour moisture body lotion and jasmine peach. First off, I love EOS, and so I thought this was a perfect, wonderful find. And it's a big bottle, so we got her. Then I got the VO5 Kiwi Lime Squeeze shampoo because VO5 they have at Walmart actually. They used to. I mean, Dollar Tree. But yeah, so I got this. My aunt's house. Oh yeah, it smells like kiwi. So we got that. And then we got the Soft Soap Body Limited Edition Pacific Sunset Coconut and Lime Body Wash. So, clearly I'm into summer right now. So that's that. Then, again, we got the Gross Mini Brands. I already, did the tube, so we're gonna unbox this. But first, obviously, we get the slime with it. And then we got Spewy Suey Unfresh. Okay, we got that. Then you get the little booklet. And now let's open our garbage bag. And let's dump it out and dive in. Here we go. Let's see what we have. Okay, we have the Throw Up Noodles packed with puke. Isn't that appetizing? So we have that. I don't know why mini brands are so cool to me, but they just are. Okay, then we have, oh, lovely, McCavity's poop paste. Alright, that's actually disgusting. Okay. I don't want to go out like that. Next up, we have, what is this? Dead Bull energy drink. Okay, this one's actually kind of cool. Dead Bull energy drink, cool. Last one. Okay, it's a magnifying glass. That's interesting. So we have the magnifying glass, the red puke, packed with puke again, and poop paste. So that is how we end a haul. But thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe because you don't want to miss my Dollar Tree hauls. You don't want to miss any of my hauls. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.